Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by grabbing the correct console cable and adapter. This matters because mismatched connectors or missing drivers block access. Next, find the switch's console port and keep the switch powered so logs remain available. Do not reboot unless required. Connect the cable to the switch first, then to your adapter or computer. Once done, note the COM number in your operating system so you can target the right interface in your terminal program. Now configure your terminal software and why those settings matter. Standard switch consoles use 9608N1 because it ensures correct framing and readable characters. Install any adapter drivers so the COM port is visible, then select that port in your terminal. Connect and press Enter. If you see boot or login text, you succeeded. If you plan to copy configs, increase scrollback or enable logging in the terminal application before proceeding so you don't lose output. Finish by logging into the switch and applying or saving any changes so configuration persists across reboots. For example, use the platform's write or copy running config command. When done, close the terminal session gracefully, then unplug and store the cable properly. If you don't get output, remember the key troubleshooting step. Verify the COM port and adapter drivers, swap the cable or try a loopback test, and confirm terminal settings, baud. Data bits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.